Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, and just know I read all your comments and I do love hearing from you. Please share this video out. It will help me tremendously. I'm going to have a small update on my wife at the end. Still more good news. Y'all, Mitch McConnell has taken the money for the FBI building out of the proposal. So that is $1.7 billion that won't be thrown away on President Trump's personal wish list, just to shade the competition from moving in on his hotel business. Now I've got a question for Mitch McConnell, who wrote that proposal. If you're taking it out now, before you even have a discussion with the other side about it, my question is for you, why did you even put it in there? You said yourself you was going to write the proposal. It was coming from your office. So why did you put that in there? Are you just a puppet? Maybe they can use this $1.7 billion to give the people a bigger stimulus check. Doubt that will happen. Or maybe they could throw in the hazard pay or the essential worker pay. Oh, but those things are not even in the proposal. Never was. But the FBI building was. In any case, the FBI building is out. Let's just hope and pray the $1.7 billion will go to something worthwhile and not just to make the rich people richer. You know, I just cannot understand, why can't they agree on something? There's only two sticking points right now. Why can't they come up with something? It's because they don't want to come up with anything. They just want to kick the can further down the road because they simply don't care. If they cared, it would be easy to reach a compromise on those two small items that's in the way right now. It just props up my opinion that come November, they all have to go. I believe I am going to, whatever Democrat is in the office right now, I'm going to vote them out. Whatever Republican in the office right now, I'm going to vote them out. We need a clean sweep. That's all I got on that right now, but I'm going to give you a small update on my wife. I called the nurse this morning. She said that she is still doing real good. And by the way, they did move her during the night last night. She's in progressive care right now. They're getting therapy to come in to help her with her breathing. But the nurse said she is doing worlds better. She is doing real good. She was sitting up eating when I was talking to the nurse. They're still doing the leg exercises, and the nurse said she's doing a lot better. I have not talked to my wife yet today. I hope I will later. But just knowing that she's doing better, and they're going to tell her that I called and I said I love her and all that kind of stuff. You know, they said they're going to tell her that. I don't know if they do or not, but they say they will. I still can't go up there. There's still a lockdown on the hospital. Y'all, thank you all for your cards, your letters, your prayers, your comments, your concerns. And thank you, God, for answering all those prayers. Y'all, please don't quit praying. She's not home yet. Anything could happen. But with God's hand and your prayers, she's going to just keep getting better. I love you all. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Ciao.